In Thailand, I just like to eat this green instant noodles when I eat a hot pot. It just tastes so nice. Snake brand. And 150 is a definitely need to check out the soya bean. So lots of Thai snacks right here. I saw some Thai people here. They are working in Singapore and they just buy the food. Good evening, Singapore. Today I'm at the Aperia Mall. I'm going to visit this Thai supermarket. So let's go. It used to be at the Golden Mall complex, but the Golden Mall complex has actually closed down 2 years ago. So they shifted over here. So lots of Thai snacks right here. The price $2.10. Of course, it's more expensive here compared to we buy in Thailand and Bangkok. But then you get the snacks, right? You don't need to book a flight. This popular brand, Koke. Definitely need to check out the soya bean. It's a top flavor in Thailand. And of course, the instant noodles. Oh, they sell the Buddhist products here as well, not just the snacks, but the garlands and also some other stuff, flowers. And I hear the Thai music right here, some love songs. Anyway, this supermarket is just at the Aperia Mall, which is like 5 minutes walk or 10 minutes walk from the Lavender MRT. And 150 is a popular brand. I saw some Thai people here. They are working in Singapore and they just buy the food. Wow. And look at all the sauces. More snacks. Mango cashew nut, dried fruit. There's some plaster for pain relief as well. Not only that, there are some face care products and these spot creams, eye gel. And the herbs for cooking. Ground white pepper, or check out the curry powder. Oh, they even sell the Vietnam rice paper here. That's a 193 brand. In Thailand, I just like to eat this green instant noodles when I eat a hot pot. It just tastes so nice. Oh, there's some kind of Thai food here, Pad Thai, and a Tom Yum. Thai banana. Fried banana. Herbal soup. Hair cutter dice. Snake brand. And guess what? I saw the coffee from Vietnam here. It's a one way to increase our customer base. You know, I just heard 2 Vietnamese girls speaking Vietnamese. So the Vietnamese people are actually buying some stuff right here, and the Thai supermarket manager know it, and they put some products right here for sale. Subscribe and enjoy the video so far and give a like. So more can find the video. Thanks very much. I wonder if the seafood section they don't sell the live seafood right here. That's a good thing. Hey, check out the 3-in-1 green milk tea powder. This is very sweet, man. It's at the lower shelf. Of course, not forgetting the drinks of Thailand. Oh, they even have the version of green tea right here. The Pokka green tea. And Oishi is a local brand of the drinks. I like this, the green tea with the aloe vera. More of the monk items here, including the ropes and the cloths. Thai papayas. Oh. Check out the milk, man. Oh, yeah, chrysanthemum tea right here. Oh, this is a bit heavy. $2.50. But it's something you can check the price here by seeing the barcode on the products. Let's check this one. $1.50. Next section. My favorite potato chips is here. Pesto. Freeze fried Thai Monton during. Dry food here. Khanom, crispy Thai crepe. Dried banana. So promotion items are all here. One for $1.90. Seaweeds. There's a nice tuk-tuk here. I guess most of us have been to tuk-tuk, right? But this is different because it's just a model, right? The real tuk-tuk has 2 seats there. This is only 1 seat. Some of the instant noodles right here. Wow. By the way, a nice clothes right here, and a lot of stores out here. The McDonald's. And the OT pancakes, you even cut your hair right here. It's actually inside a mall. It's level 2 and 3 as well. Before I forget, there's actually a restaurant right here outside the Thai supermarket. And there's a set meal here. For $10.90, there's a menu. It's not really cheap though. From $10 onwards, but you get the aircon and restaurant environment. And in front is Money Changer, Watson Clinic, Korea stuff. In one restaurants. But there are some nice cat mascot right here. Take a photo. And there are more about the right side. Some nice human sculptures right here. That's a name for it. Eager anticipation. Hope you guys enjoy this small walking tour of the Thai supermarket right here at Aperia Mall in Lavender area. Remember, subscribe, enjoy the video, and take care everyone. See you guys in my next video. And give a like. Thank you.